How to fix Facebook name change not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix your name change not working. So let's jump right in. First step, make sure that the app that you have is up to date to the latest version. Go to your Google Play Store, search for Facebook. Then if you see an update button available, tap on update and update the app. After you've updated your app, you can then head over to the app. And if you were already using it, swipe up from the bottom and remove it from the background. After doing that, any temporary glitches should be removed as well. So after you've done that, you can then try to change your name on your Facebook again. Tap on your Facebook. After you're on your Facebook, tap on the top right corner on your profile icon and you should be on the menu. Tap on the settings icon. Then from here, head over to Meta's Account Center. Go to your profiles. From here, tap on your Facebook and then tap on name. So from here, you should find your names. You can change your name from here. So there you can see you cannot change it again for 60 days if you have changed it already. Also, make sure that your name does meet the standards and it's not an unusual one and not misleading. So if it meets your standards and if you haven't changed your name in the last 60 days, that means that you can change your name. And that's basically it guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.